What's up, brothers and sisters? Today I am at the one and only Wood Grill Buffet, and I'm about to enjoy myself and have a little MukBang.
Everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You don't believe in it? How you gonna pay for yourself?
I think grab me like you know, so I'll take
All the good vegetables and pork in them.
Yes.
I don't want to talk about that. You know what?
Viene
No, we forgot to do. No, it's very culture. No, we forgot to do. It's very culture.
Pero el día del pavo él no trabaja.
Damn, he made me want to cry. He said what we do in our Spanish culture, we pray before we eat. He made me want to cry.
Yeah.
You can if you feel like that's in your heart.
I really don't.
Is that hot roast? That was good.
You know how people pray before they eat?
Huh?
You know how people first start praying before they eat?
Why they stopped?
Started.
Why?
You don't put in birthday.
It had nothing to do with it.
This is Oscar. You got the advantage.
Right. You gotta look back. $10,000 ago, it was human population, right? Most humans all over the world. But just remember, there was no electricity, there was no gas, no guns, no domesticated animals, right? Everything had to be killed or harvested. Couldn't go to the store, buy anything. Right? So people prayed before they ate.
Because they didn't know when they was going to get their next meal.
Right. Nowadays, people look at it as being ridiculous. Messing the food. But it started off as, shit, you know, shit, pray that you can get another meal.
Remember the big one? Remember what house with the river?
Cementerio está aquí y así no tiene como ahí.
We're going to get your praying story. Your praying story is going to be in my video.
Yeah.
Ahí había un taller en la esquinita y es una barra. Ellos lo convirtieron. Yo lo pasé por ahí.
This steak's a little well done.
Y el otro sitio al frente hacen desayuno, pero un desayuno a la carne, una cosa fina, y la gente se aquí afuera con sus guirindas.
I didn't get to the fried chicken. I didn't get to the fried chicken.
Yeah, I was going to get a piece, but they had all big pieces. All pieces. So who your daughter look like?
Her dad,
Your son look like?
his dad.
So they don't look like you at all?
My daughter has features. I can never get away from my baby dads.
Why?
Because my kids look like them.
No, that's the reason.
Román, tú no te puedes llevar los cookies de aquí. En los restaurantes. Está bueno ese guarineo.
Judge me, I like the fatty parts.
Vos también, ¿verdad?
Remember last time she comes up? Remember that green straw?
Vaya a comerse para hacer más de que aceptar.
Remember that green straw? Remember every time that green straw that we talked about?
What the hell we what?
Mommy, she did this.
Es que eso sí, entonces espera, lo dejan ahí seguir generando y ya quedó de esto. Pero como hubo sexo de tráfico de sexo, las niñas, los padres, aquí la de menores. Y ese tipo, Justin Bieber, el de Justin Bieber dijo muchas cosas. Justin Bieber. Tiene una canción de ella.
I'm stuck.
You should be.